Hi and welcome you all. In this video, I will guide you through the process of downloading the Palo Alto Firewall image. To obtain the Palo Alto Firewall image, it is typically necessary to have a valid support contract or gain access to the official Palo Alto Network Support portal. Begin by visiting the Palo Alto Customer Support portal by navigating to support.paloaltonetworks.com and hit enter to proceed to the portal. Next, input your login credentials into the appropriate field to successfully log into the support portal. Once you have gained access to the support portal, locate the software updates section by navigating to the updates tab. Within the software updates section, you will find the various content types available for download. For our purpose, we will focus on downloading the VM series base image. Choose the desired image version from the available options displayed on the screen. Once you have identified the appropriate version, click on the provided hyperlink associated with that version. This will initiate the download process and the firewall image file will be saved directly to your local device.